Lily is a quiet and shy young girl, but she has a big passion playing football. While most of her classmates laugh at her and make fun of her interest, Lily doesn't let their words stop her. She believes in herself and dreams of becoming a successful football player one day. After school each day, Lily finishes her homework quickly and heads out to practice. She spends hours improving her skills, determined to get better. Her mother sees how much Lily loves football and supports her fully, encouraging her to follow her dream. One day, the school announces inter-school football competitions. Without hesitation, Lily decides to participate. During the selection trials, her classmates once again make fun of her, thinking she won't succeed. But this time, Lily surprises everyone. She plays with confidence, skill, and determination. Her outstanding performance impresses the judges, and she is selected to represent her school. The same classmates who once mocked her are left speechless. Lily's hard work, courage, and dedication prove that no dream is too big if you truly believe in yourself. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel Easy English Daily for more awesome stories. For more updates, click on the bell icon